How to fix kernel data Inpage blue error in Windows. 1. Reboot your PC. 2. Check your hardware, from RAM, with memory diagnostic tool, to disk and to CPU. Note, you may need to disconnect. Recently installed hardware. 3. Scan your hard drive by a chktsk/f command and error checking tool. 4. Uninstall recently installed software. 5. Run malware scan using the recommended Avast Internet Security in this video guide. 6. Run the system file checker and PISM command as admin. Commands include sfc/scanodism/online/cleanupimage/scan healthdism/online/cleanupimage/check healthdism/online/cleanupimage/restore health. 7. Check and update device drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 8. Restore your BIOS.